So we come to integration, chapter 14. Okay, and as I said, if your differentiation is very good, integration will be simple because integration is just the opposite or the reverse of differentiation. Okay, one useful thing about integration is to find area under curve. Integration will just help me to find the area under curve, meaning the area between the graph and the x-axis. Okay? Can I go to one example? Like a very simple one. Okay, differentiate 2x. Agree that you'll give me 2? Okay, so what's the opposite? The opposite will just be integration. Okay, so we will use this sign. This one is a symbol for integration. So I am integrating 2. See, I use my 2, I put it here. Start from 2 and I integrate with respect to x. It will basically give me 2x. So if you can see, differentiation and integration, they are opposite of each other. Of course, there's one thing to add, is that when you have integration, there must always be a plus c. Okay, so there are some similarities between differentiation and integration. Okay, the rule, scalar multiple rule, applies to both differentiation and integration. Okay, meaning I can technically take out the k, I just differentiate anything that has x. Same thing for integration. If I integrate kx squared, I just take out the k and I integrate anything that has x. Another rule that applies is addition and subtraction rule. Okay, meaning I can differentiate each term separately. Integration, I can also integrate each term separately. So these two rules apply. So, okay, this is in your table. Okay, I hope that you have tried your differentiation. Then you move on to integration. And take note that you always must plus c, where the c stands for constant. Okay, at this juncture, we will start learning the skills of integration. The first skill is the reverse of the power rule. Okay, I can categorize it in a few steps. Okay, I will add 1 to the power. This step basically means divide by the new power. And lastly, to take care of the constant, I need to plus c. Okay, so this is the steps of integration. Now let's integrate x cubed. When I integrate x cubed, okay, I'll use the curly s, put the expression, and integrate with respect to x, dx. See, first step, what I'll do first step is power plus 1. What is the new power then? My new power will be 4. So x power 4. And remember, step 2, I will divide by the new power. So I will divide by 4. Okay, any more steps? Yeah, last step plus c. Okay, and I'm done. Okay. If we go to part B, how can we simplify part B first? See, there's a square root there. What is square root? My square root is power half. Okay, and I'm going to integrate it. So first step, power plus 1 means I add 1 to the power. Half plus 1, 3 over 2. Okay. Step 2, divide by the new power. Divide by 3 over 2. Okay. Don't forget the plus c. Okay. And I can simplify further. Okay. You divide by 3 over 2. You are going to flip the fraction. 2 over 3. Yes. 2 over 3 x power 3 over 2. In A math, we can leave it in improper. Okay. For power, you can leave it. And you need a plus c.